Welcome to Princess Cays, the far right side from the port when you arrive here. You crew?
Yes.
Guest? Yes.
Yes.
Why you say yes? Our crew. We're stranded here in Bahamas now. Our ship sunk, so we swam towards this. A good thing I saved my camera, and Moses only saved his balls. He has his ball here. He'll put ice on his ball and he will talk to them. When we die together with Alex, he will be alone here on this deserted island somewhere here in Bahamas. Bahama. We'll wait for another ship to come. I don't know if Royal Caribbean will go here.
We're gonna look like Robinson Crusoe.
Yes. You see those sticks will make house from that, like the primitives. And we're gonna start fishing later for our lunch. No. I think there are also people stranded here. See, these are cages, so you can catch some crabs. Yeah, crabs cages. See? Oh, there's a ship here. I hope they can see us. Help! Later, Moses will be hungry again. It is Alex's dream to go here on this part of the island. Since he came on the ship, he wants to go here. Now he's here. Raising the flag. Oh, very nice flag.
Belarus.
Very simple flag. The red flag. Alex has a red flag. Okay, so this is day 191. Look, I get a little dark right now because of staying here in the island for so long. Help came right now. There is the ship. They came back for me here. It's been a long time. Good thing I saw these people here. I think he's a refugee from Belarus. You'll see his flags later. He was alone with some Peruvian guy. Already primitive. He's going. This is how he create his house. See, like that. He cuts the trees with sticks. Very. There's another one here running. Finally, help came. Thank you. What ship is that? Elation.
Goodbye, Princess Cays.
This
Goodbye,
is
Bogey.
Elation.
I coming home. I coming home.
Goodbye, Princess Cays. Goodbye, Bogey.
Goodbye.
I miss this guy.
It's raining now. Oh,
Even
good thing we.
Even God is crying for Bogies.
The sky is crying. It's crying for joy. I'm free. I'm free. Free from the ship. But most importantly, enjoy.
Why did you brought? For the flag. You brought that for the flag, right?
Yes, the flag is the most important thing.
Oh shit. Hey Drew, you bought that flag on Amazon or you brought it? You got it from your country?
No, he got it from Philippines.
No,
From China, made in China.
I guess. No, because this guy has a t-shirt from Belarus, but it's from Amazon.
Amazon.
Hey, look, Belarus has a national team for football.
Yes.
Hey, bring one jersey next.
I can bring it for you.
Okay, we'll be together, so I'll just show it to you.
What do you want? Football or hockey?
Football.
Football people. I'll check.
I'm going home. Did you bring your speaker?
Yeah, it's there.
Okay.
Jungle.
You got Filipino
Wow.
music?
Jungle. Predators over there.
We have
Tiger,
some.
Lion.
We're gonna do the hunting skills. Yeah. Earlier we got some Tyrannosaurus Rex in the morning for breakfast.
Can you go inside and check what's happening over there? Go check.
What if I hear? Hi! More!
You meet George.